right, everyone, this is Vishal from Equity.GURU, and welcome to another installment of Chart Attack, where we look at some of the best looking charts out there in the financial markets. And hint, hint, we're talking about Plurilock Security. PLUR.V is the ticker. And this company, you know, if you follow some of our work here on Equity.GURU, we're big fans. We've talked a lot about this company, an identity-centric cybersecurity solution stock. Essentially, you know, it can recognize how you type. So if you're away from your computer, the solution or the technology can know if someone else is using your computer just by the way you type. Fascinating stuff, right? And the great thing about this company, and we've mentioned this many times, is take a look at their press releases, right? You see this all the time. There's always deals coming through. Look at this. This year, a $308,000 purchase order from the U.S. Department of Defense. We have a U.S. Department of the Interior, the FBI, whole bunch of more. I mean, I can keep going down the list. Department of the Interior, Department of the State. So a lot of deals, right? Management, this company is always going along, trucking along, and they bring in all these deals. They're doing a great job. And Chris Perry himself is, a big fan of management, and the fact that this company has all these press releases that come, regularly and consistently, right? Because management is doing their job there. And this company, folks, chart-wise, the time I'm recording this, they're actually pulling back to retest the breakout. So I'm liking what I'm seeing. Essentially, this stock broke out right at the end of the year. This breakout candle that we have here happened on December 30th, 2021. So we had a range pattern, and the range occurred after a long downtrend. And then we began to range, which is what we want to see. And the trigger is always that breakout, which we did get. We did follow with a lot of momentum on the 31st of December as well, hitting near 50 cents a share. But since then, the stock began to pull back, which is, understandable, I guess, people taking profits. But what I'm excited about is this retest where we are right now, because this is always expected for breakouts, right? There's always going to be a pullback to retest what was once resistance, now support, or what was once the price ceiling, now becoming the price floor. And we actually did retest that last week on the 14th of January. A doji candle, so it's not the strongest, but it is indicating that there is a battle between the bulls and the bears. No side basically came out on top. We broke even essentially in that battle. And now today's candle is the one that's going to be important, right? Because if this closes green, there's a pattern called the morning star, and I think some people might be looking at that as this type of pattern, but essentially it is a bullish pattern. And it does happen on, downtrends, specifically at support and resistance levels. So we have pulled back to retest that zone. Buyers are coming in here at this 40-cent zone. And I think that's a good sort of sign, especially if you are a bull, indicating that this is a new uptrend, right? And now basically we're going to look for higher lows and higher highs, which does mean that eventually we will have to take out these highs at around the 49 cents level, very close to 50, as I mentioned, making new recent highs, which means that this uptrend has multiple legs on the way up, right? Just like a downtrend had multiple legs on the way down, we have yet to make the first leg on the uptrend, and we should expect to see multiple higher lows because there's now a reversal here in the stock, especially after a prolonged downtrend and a range and the breakout. And I think this is finally getting exciting for people who are following the company, because as I said, the press releases have been great. And now you have that technical pattern, the technicals to back the fundamentals. And as of now, as long as we're above this 40-cent zone, the breakout and the retest is still in play. If we do break back below 40 cents, then this breakout is then nullified, and we're going to have to then step back a bit and look for another sign of some sort of ranging before we can declare that a new uptrend is beginning. But I like what I'm seeing. I'm liking this retest, and I'm going to be following this week and in the next few weeks, because if we start to see a bit of that pop here, it's looking likely we are going to confirm a breakout above 49.5 cents and past 50 cents. And we have some resistance, of course, here at the 57.5 zone, possibly here as well at 65. So I do like the upside targets on the stock as well. And it does provide a nice risk reward, especially if you're entering on that retest with your stop losses below the doji candle. I think that might be intriguing and enticing and appetizing for some of you out there. But that's it for me, folks. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more chart attack videos. Follow Equity Guru at all our social media links that are provided in the description box below. And most importantly, folks, I want to hear what you guys think about Plurilock Security. Let me know what you think of the stock chart here. Let me know what you think of the company in general as well, and cybersecurity plays, because I know that's going to be a hot topic heading into the future. But I'll catch you all in the next chart attack video.